malware threats you can expect. Malware or malicious software is any program or file that is intentionally harmful to a computer or network or data center or server. Types of malware include computer viruses, worms, Trojan horses, ransomware, and spyware. So malware attack is nothing. It is a common cyber attack where malware, normally malicious software, executes unauthorized actions on the victim system. So malicious software is also known as viruses, encompasses many specific types of attacks, ransomware, spyware, command and control and more. Common types of malware, virus, worm, Trojan horse, spyware, adware, ransomware. So these are the examples I have explained already. Malware, malicious or malware is a software which will damage or disable the computer systems and gives limited or full control of the system to malware creators. These are the examples. And these are the examples of malware, spyware, adware, virus, rootkit, ransomware, etc. Then a cyber crime stock image. If you see the complete information I have kept related terminology of cyber crime, computer, information, internet, service, data, attacks, international warfare, theft, network, etc. So these malware I have explained already, types of malwares. See, the top 10 biggest breaches of all time so far. So which attack is number one position? Data breach, damage, all time record. First company, it is first damage happened for that company. Court Square Venture, 200 million people affected. Can you imagine? 200 million people affected. Then see the names. See, they have hacked their names, address, and bank details. Next biggest data breach, US Vote Foundation, 191 million people affected. So they have hijacked email, password, credit cards, etc. eBay, next company, 145 million people affected. What they have hacked? They have hacked phone numbers, passwords, birth dates, and names, etc. Then Hotland, 130 million people affected, credit card details like that. Target, TK Maxx, Anthem, PlayStation, Mosaic X, Fonseca. These are the top 10 biggest data breaches of all time record. Keep in mind. Then these are the top 10 most valuable information to cyber criminals. I have explained this slide earlier. Customer information 17%, financial information 17, strategic plan 12. Likewise, information cyber criminals. Top 10 biggest cyber threats of organization, especially phishing 22%, malware 20%, cyber attacks to disrupt 13%, cyber attack to steal money 12%, fraud 10%, cyber attacks to steal 8%, spam 6%, internal attacks 5%, natural disaster 2%, and espionage 2%. So what are the cyber security principles? Ravi sir, how much time is there? Shall I start practicals?
Sir, you can start practical, sir. Still
Yeah.
40 minutes is there. You can start it, sir.
Yeah. So I'm going to start within 5 minutes. Huh?
Yeah, no
I'm
problem,
not
sir. Take your
waiting.
time, sir.
Yeah. So cyber security principles you must know. Maybe cyber risk priority for your board and produce a supporting risk management policies and determine your risk appetite by using these principles, by using network security, managing user privileges, user education and awareness, incident management, malware prevention, and monitoring, removable media controls, home and mobile working, secure configuration.